trigger warning. If you love boring shirts, then don't watch this because you're going to hate it. Did you like that? I did. Yeah, do you get it?
And now I don't know what to say because you didn't prep me up before we started.
Well, just wing it.
Just wing it. Okay, well, I'm going to wing it because these shirts are to die for. I know. Look at this, an all red outfit. Actually, I don't know if I'm.
You're kind of blending with the background.
I'm blending with it. This
so
is
if I just get out,
I was going to say they really stand out, and then I think I'm not actually standing out because I'm blending with the background.
Yeah, but it looks great.
It looks amazing, doesn't it? Any red pant, any red shirt. No, this red shirt. And any vest will give you this look. Isn't it sensational?
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
Actually, you used to stand behind me and give me a bit of,
What? Oh, a bit of a background.
A bit of a background. That's better. There you go. Yeah, you can see how gorgeous I look here. No, actually, it's the outfit. It's the outfit, I've got to say. Actually, I might just pop that in there. Yeah. So what you want to do here is just go all tonal. You know I love a tonal look, and red is my best colour. My favourite colour, I should say. It's also probably my best colour in any case. Love it.
And you've just gone head to toe red.
I've just gone head to toe red. Love a baggy pant because they're beautiful. Did you know we make the best pants? I say that everywhere. We make the best pants in the best fabrics. And not only that, this shirt, if you are the person that doesn't own an iron, guess what? This one's for you. Yeah. I know most people don't own an iron. I've got an iron, but I don't think I've pulled it out for about 10 years, actually.
Well, you don't need one now that you've got that shirt.
Yeah, I know. This shirt, I don't need one at all.
But you might need one if you want my shirt. So mine is a new release, and it is 100% viscose, which is for anyone who knows their fabric, it's like the Ants pants. It's like the Louis Vuitton of fabrics. It feels so beautiful. It's so silky, and it's not thin and flimsy. It's really got some weight to it, and it has this beautiful kind of embossed detail. So it's kind of like a print without being a print. Now, it does come in other colours. I'm going to pop a lilac on later. Faye's going to put on a peach, and it also comes in white. Now, the only thing with this kind of fabric is it will be prone to creasing, but if you do wear premium fabrics, you'll be very used to this because it's actually often... Unfortunately, it comes as part of the package. So you'll see when I untuck, you'll see what I mean. But most of the time, we're actually completely put together. So it kind of doesn't matter unless you want to start with a tuck and then unfold yourself. So this is it.
Yeah, you show it. Look, this isn't my outfit, but before I get changed, I just want to show you how stunning this shirt looks with red. Look at that. Isn't that just the hottest?
I love that.
The hottest look. Yeah. This can be your outfit. You don't even have to add... I don't know, you don't have to add anything.
I even love it with a little bit of black shine as well. I think it kind of ties it together nicely.
That's my bra today. I'm wearing a bra.
Yeah.
Look at that. It looks sexy.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. Even that blue would look good with my outfit too.
It would too. Look at that. It's a very rich... The beauty of these shirts is they're very rich, aren't they? I mean, look at the richness of that and the richness of this. Gorgeous.
Okay, now I'm going to show you the length of this. So you can see it has a few creases just from my body heat. It's just kind of warmed itself up and held that fold. But a quick steam will get it out, of course. They're not hard to care for, but I will go back and do a fold. Okay, now this blogger shirt is a hybrid of your faves. So it has the stand collar like our original famous blogger, but then it's got the shorter hemline and no pleat at the waistline. So they're really, really easy to tuck in. So if you do want to explore some shorter length bloggers, always go for our Brit blogger or our Milan blogger. And Faye is going to show you in a second the original blogger that we've got, which is a little bit longer in length.
I'm not ready yet. Are you finished?
Okay. Yeah, I am.
That's okay.
I am.
I can wing this.
Okay.
You know, I'm going to start to get a complex about not being ready and just saying the wrong things at the wrong time. I thought I did such a brilliant job yesterday, and Laura now tells me that I was just standing there fumbling like an old lady. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah. That's exactly right.
I don't like me and old together. But I love this together. Doesn't it look spectacular? Look at this.
Yeah,
sensational.
Cool. Yeah,
I love that word. I think I'll add a belt though. It doesn't look amazing. By the way, just so that you know, when you get anything that's metallic or has some sort of surface stuff, avoid things like bleach, fabric softener and all those things, really hot water, harsh detergents, because most of them have bleach in them anyway, because you may damage the surface. I mean, normally it's all okay, but you never know. You know, that's what I say. You just never know. Anyway, look, there is I've gone tonal with this too, and I love a bright colour with denim. I think that's pretty sensational. But there's also a thing going on around cowboy. I don't know if anyone's noticed. Have you noticed that?
Yeah.
That a cowboy look is very on trend, even for next winter. In fact, there's one trend service that just talks about how big the cowboy look is. Now, I know in America, if you're watching from over there, cowboy looks are never out of style. And I love that about the US, the fact that they love their cowboy looks, the cowgirl looks. Well, this is an ode to a cowboy or a cowgirl, this belt.
No, I like that.
Look at that. That looks pretty cool. I'm going to just pull these up. You know, when you think of a great outfit, you don't have to have a whole lot of stuff.
No.
Just a beautiful skirt, beautiful shirt, and then just add a belt. And that's all you need, really.
Yeah, I love that.
It just says, hey, you've got style.
Yeah,
Is
that's
that what
gorgeous.
it says? Yeah.
Look at our outfits. Just take it in.
Take it in. Just take it in.
We are like a window right now.
We are.
We are.
Yeah, we are.
And we're only wearing like 2 pieces, which is weird for us because normally we have a lot of layers.
Lucky
How
you've got that
gorgeous.
buckle there, not
Yes.
this belt here, because that just finishes it off.
Yeah, I love that. I really like that outfit. I would wear it.
Yeah, I think you'd wear it
Yeah,
too.
I would.
I think,
would.
yeah, you can have this.
Oh, thank you. I can buy it.
You
Buy
can
it
buy
later.
it. You can buy it.
Now, this is the lilac shirt that I was just telling you about. It is the prettiest colour, and it's one of those shirts that I feel like as soon as you put it on, you're like, oh, wow. Something about the way it almost like reflects off your face. It's really, really gorgeous and high shine. Hold on. Tori, our beautiful moderator, would you mind getting our comments up? They've vanished. Yeah, sorry to call you out on the live. I want to see what you guys are saying, so the TV's just switched off. And what I've done is I've teamed it with the mint pant. This pant also comes in lilac. Oh my God, lilac full outfit. Yes, go for lilac. Or it also comes in pink. I think all would look really gorgeous together. And I've kind of done a take on how to wear pastels without looking like you're about to
Lollywrapper.
like you're about to lollywrapper, because sometimes it can really wash you out. So I think this is a really gorgeous way, and the right lilac will actually liven you, not grey you off, because some of them can be very grey. This is just absolutely stunning.
Life in
It
it.
has a lot of life. I'm
Yeah.
loving this outfit.
It's
I would
pretty.
wear this in a heartbeat. It's very feminine, but I've got a very boss, masculine energy. It's not working, Tori. It's fine if it's not. Don't worry.
I just want to look and see if there's any.
Okay, sure. Yeah. I just wanted to make sure someone was watching today. I thought maybe we were just talking to ourselves,
That's really.
which is fine because we do that all
Is
day.
anybody out there watching us?
Is anybody there? Yeah. I'm loving this outfit. I don't even want to take it off. It's gorgeous.
Are you leaving it on?
No, I'm going to.
Now this is something. Oh my lord! This is something that I would never wear in a fit and doesn't look amazing.
It does.
Come
This
on,
fabric
look.
like reflects prettiness.
It's just pretty. Look. Yeah.
Yeah.
And with this colour, I think the bold colour under just really adds to the whole look. I'm loving this
Yeah, I am too.
live
Actually.
today, isn't it? I mean, we were thinking, oh, how can we make this look new? Couldn't figure it out.
I'm
But
actually
you know
loving
what?
it
I
as
think
well.
we've nailed it.
So
We've
good.
actually nailed it. Very pretty. Yeah, love this. And normally I'm not the pretty kind of girl. It's
No.
not my style. I do
Yeah.
grunge. I do, edgy. I do all that other stuff. But this is beautiful. I think it's just the way you wear it. It's just how you wear your style. To say style.
Yeah, I love
I've
that.
actually got a red blazer, but I'm thinking I'm not going to put the red
No,
blazer
do you
on.
want to just show the ladies?
Yeah,
or
okay,
no?
I'll show, but I've got to finish myself off first. I might do this. Might do this for a bit of a quirky
Oh
look.
yeah.
Bit of a quirky look, because you know that a chain belt will look amazing. Yeah, I know. But I want to do something different, something a bit edgy. And because a logo vibe in anything is really fabulous because it just says sporty. This is kind of adding a sporty twist to this
Okay, I love
outfit.
that.
Otherwise, it's a bit too pretty for me.
Would that be something as well? No, too pretty.
Too pretty for me. Yeah, it just goes. Did you see how that didn't work for me? Gorgeous, but not on my personality. But on Lauren, you would do that.
Okay, I'll do it in a minute.
Amazing. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So I'll just leave this on.
Yeah.
Aren't we polite?
She's like,
Aren't we polite to each other? Yeah. Okay. I'll show you my red jacket. Am I going to put it on, or am I just going to put it over my shoulder? I love these tones together, by the way.
it just makes it actually a lot more quirky. It's like less pretty and less feminine and less whimsical, and it takes it into like a boss
I know. You
own
see,
your wardrobe moment.
I bet when I said red jacket, you probably thought, what is she talking about? This is what I'm talking about. How cool is it? I could do this. I could do this tomorrow. I love it. Okay, I'm going to end in this because I feel so good in it.
Yeah, I love that. I love that. And I've just gone for a hot pink shirt. Now, this isn't a blogger, but these concepts, these outfits and these theories, you can do with any really bold shirt. And actually you'll notice, because our shirts really being the hero, except for Faye's outfit here, a lot of them have been actually quite simple, and we're letting our shirt be the hero.
Well, even without the blazer, I mean, this is pretty
it's gorge.
sensational, you know.
Yeah, really nice. All right, I'm going to try this little floral belt, which is quite cute.
It's a cute one.
I just don't know about the belt and the belt.
Well, we probably wouldn't have done both belts, but too late. Too late. We're doing it.
Or is it cool?
No, it's cool. Let me see. I think
It's
that's
still
cool.
the buckle on show.
I think it's cool. Yeah.
So again, it's very feminine. This shirt also comes in a pale blue and white. Yeah. No, it's very pretty. So then I've just balanced it again with the man style pant, really nice and high waisted, so I get that elongation through my legs. And I do love the flower. It's a little bit Emily in Paris. It's taking that little bit step further and kind of putting your spin on an outfit that is actually quite simple.
I agree.
Because it's only two pieces.
I know, it's fantastic. But then, of course, with all that drama on the waist there, that makes it the third piece in any case. You don't need to just have it, or even the belt that it comes with actually says all that. I think it was pretty good. I reckon that was a really good live.
Okay, what do you guys think? I feel like we were a bit flat
of
energy. I've got a bit of a headache.
Have you?
And this red screen is not helping it.
She doesn't like the red background, whereas it gives me energy. It must drain me, love.
It does. It drains me.
That's why you don't like it.
Yes.
Yes. Well, I like it. It gives me energy.
A good outfit gives me energy. That's all I need to worry about.
Well, you're right. That's all you need.
That's all
you need, ladies. Just get that outfit going. Don't worry about your backdrop.
You can have any backdrop.
You can have any backdrop.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. See you again tomorrow.
Bye for now.